Hello, it's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third. It's the day after. Went to my Victorian bottle dump in Surrey yesterday. Tried to do the pause record, or maybe it was more than one day ago. I don't remember, my mind is shot. But anyway, tried to do the pause recording, and unfortunately, all it did was sap the battery. So I only got 6 minutes of footage. After that, I did manage to find, like I mentioned, each time I normally get a German Apollinaris Brunnen water seltzer, and I found three. The first one was smashed, the second one was in perfect condition, and the third one was perfectly fine, but it had a big chip off the base. So the third one, I went further down the path, walked down the path to where there was some light shining, and there was a tree stump that had been cut down some time back, and I just left it on the tree stump. But anyway, I did make a few extra finds, and I've got them here. Nothing fantastically special, because that's just bottle digging these days, and I'm very low energy, I'm afraid, and I'm not feeling 100%. But I thought I'd make an effort, but I'm normally guaranteed of finding something pretty interesting down there. But anyway, we'll go through what I found the other day. But I think I'm going to have to put my new prescription glasses on, because I'm now officially old. There you go. So I need to be able to see what... Oh yeah, that's Zenof on the wall there. Been there since 2009. And we'll see what I've got down here. Well, we'll go straight into this small size, late 1890s, salt glazed, not particularly shiny. Some of them are, have a proper glaze on. This is just coloured. It's a small size with the eye handle, and it's Apollinaris Brunnen Seltzer mineral water, German, Georg Kreuzberg Arvela Rheinprüchen. So I've got quite a lot of these now from that site. I'm always guaranteed to find at least one. This time I found three. One was smashed, another one had a chip off the base, and this one is perfectly fine. And it's got a maker's stamp on the back, number 16J. So that was more than likely one particular individual in the factory. And they stamped, I should imagine how it worked, they stamped their own wares, and their pay was calculated by how many they'd made, I should imagine. So yes, Apollinaris Brunnen Seltzer. Stuff that there for now. I've also found these before. When I was pulling it out, I thought Hamilton is not Hamilton because it's a crown top. This is a crown top. It's green. It's quite nice. It's a lovely colour. Green bottle. It's a mineral water. Basically, a Perrier. Source Perrier bottle. Well, I take it it's 1890s. But it is a bit strange now. I seem to be coming out of stuff from the 20s. Right, there's this as well. I found this before. It's just as well I've got my glasses on. And what we have is Wolfing's Formament. Wolfing's Formament. And I found one of these before at the same place. Wolfing's Formament. Screw top. Is it ground? Is it a ground top? It doesn't feel like a ground top. No. It's still old. I can tell you that. It's a screw top, but it's still old. Stuff this up there. I've found quite a few of these in the past. It's a Dinnerford's Magnesia with the rounded, more blobby-like top. I even found one of these at Woodside Green. Croydon Woodside Green which was a bit strange, but Dinaford's Magnesia. Often these look a little bit on the sick side, but still a good bottle. Nice sea green colour. And yes, that 4-ounce Bovril. They're always a joy, although they're so common and you get too many of them and you wonder what the hell to do with them. At one point I did have a big champagne cork. I have champagne corks in these, and I did actually reuse them again for the Bovril. So lovely, lovely stuff. I suppose there's something else I could show off while I'm at it. I'll turn it on. Or at least I thought I was. Yeah, there you go. Right. Boring jars. Well, not necessarily boring. You put some pins in it, I suppose. Nice glaze, nice colour glaze. But it's not a Sainsbury's potted meats or anything like that. It's just a simple one. Move all my crap out of the way. Try again. There's this little thing here. And, oh god blimey, it has got something on it. Ashton's. I'm not sure. Parsons, Ashton's, I don't know. I'm not entirely sure what that is. Parsons, Ashton's, that's what it looks like. Yeah, tiny little diddy bottle. Well, it's not tiny, but it is a diddy bottle. Parsons, Ashton's. Parsons. And you've seen this one before as well, and that is a Boots Cash Chemist. Brown square panelled, embossed on one side. W. Cork top. And that's the first one of them I've had, so I'm pretty chuffed about that one. Big stopper. You've seen this one before as well. Lovely little bottle this. Bishop's Varolets. Lovely, lovely colour. And it's almost like a strap side. Like a tiny strap side. Well, it is, isn't it? Bishop's Varolets. This has had the WD-40 and cleaning treatment, but it hasn't been shined and polished on the poly jumper yet. That's how I shine my bottles, on a poly jumper. Dark blue poly jumper. Look at that colour. Woo! Yeah. And you always find these are pretty common as well. The older ones are quite nice. Eiffel Tower Lemonade. Very common though. Foster Clark Maidstone Limited. You get Eiffel Tower fruit juices, but I've yet to find an Eiffel Tower fruit juices complete. I think they're even earlier, to be honest. 1880s, 1890s. Eiffel Tower Lemonade. Tall with a short top. And what we've got under here. 6 or 9. That's debatable, isn't it? But it's always nice to find these. These are very pretty. And some of the older ones, the very old ones, they actually have the Eiffel Tower on them. Move my drink over a bit. And this. Look, a Pond's. Only it's not actually a Pond's, which was a bit of a surprise. It's something else. Elkaya. Now that was a surprise. That's not a Pond's. It's Pond style. It's milk glass. Screw top. Probably had a metal cap. And on the back, James C. Crane New York. So, well, no, that was a surprise. Oh, the original nutter is outside. Huh? Yeah, I eventually found Adrian. No, what it was, because I didn't answer my phone today, I went into Croydon, I had it on silent, because I was just trying to have downtime and contemplation, wasn't answering the phone. My keyring network social worker and her got in a bit of a panic, so she came over and she took the flipping cat.
Oh. That's why you couldn't find it.
That's why I couldn't find the cat. Yeah, because my mother came over and took her away. And I told her, send me a text message, because if you send me a text message, it's silent. I can still look at it and reply without disturbing myself and other people.
Yeah, I hear that.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Yeah,
I got her back.
Cool.
You are okay?
Right, you take care.
Yeah. Oh boy, that's one of my neighbours, Adrian. As you heard, I had a bit of a dilemma today. Too zoomed in. Yes, we'll take a look at this, shall we, while we're at it. Yes, I have graffiti in my flat. Zenof KC, or Chords KC. This was done in 2009, and I asked him to do the yin and yang symbol. So yes, I've got a big full colour Zenof in my kitchen. Sweet. Now all I've got to do is clean all the fucking shit away from here. Oh well, we'll see what we can do in the future. Right, bottles, back to the bottles. This is not that one, that's my hem pile. Dinnerford's Magnesia. Perrier. Boots Cash Chemist. Wolfing's Diddy Bottle. And the usual Brunn & Seltzer. Eiffel Tower Lemonade, of course these are the ones I've kept, I didn't keep all of them. And that lovely little blue strap-sided Bishop's Varolets. Bovirol, there was another small Bovril I found, but it had a big crack in it. And of course this as well. And we'll go for a bonus. As well as the graffiti, I have something else to show you. But it means I've got to turn the light off. There's Zenof graffiti again. And we'll turn the light off. And we'll go outside. Hopefully everything hasn't... It's dark. I can't see. I can't see. Right, here we go. My light strip. Yes. A light strip of bottles. Basically 2 white dioda light strips from IKEA. And I painted them black. And I had little vinyl round stickers over some of the lights, so I had to do it in certain places and sort of calculate where they had to be standing, and then it was just a case of positioning the corners of the bottles on the lights where they glow the best from. So basically what we have here is what in America would be oh god, what was it? Orange Crush Soda. Only it's a British made one, and that's 1920s. We have a 1930s to 50s green hexagonal poison. A lovely bubbly main wiring, main wiring. And a bottle for a battery, a fluid battery, acid battery. There was a big long line of them at Red Robin, and the more bubbles basically the better. And the Penrest Inkwell, I would love to find some more of them because I'd like to paint them up as cottages. and another mineral water bottle, aerated water co, something like that, and what's this? It's got Peckham on it, but unfortunately I can't really tell. I need to clean this bloody window. Is it main wiring? It's probably another main wiring, main wiring Peckham. And there's a Schweppes bottle there. Lovely looking Schweppes bottle. Sadly my window's a bit filthy. Anyway, this is my LED light strip in the kitchen. So basically IKEA dioda light strip, white, spray painted black, and some of the vinyl stickers were removed to reveal just some of them, positioning, and then it's just a case of standing them on top of both strips and they glow away. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there now because I need to upload this, and then I've got to do the midweek meatballers hosting on Guy Online, so I'm hosting another Guy Online midweek meatballers. Well, thanks for joining me. And there's the little dark shadow. And we'll end it there, I think. Thanks for joining me. Give us a thumbs up if you like. Wow, 16:30. And we'll catch you on the next video. Probably be another upload from the organ recital at the church, I should imagine. Needed to get this out of the way, you know. So take care, everyone, and bye for now.